Talk about ghettos when you're lighting everything your clothes on.
Trust me, it's not safe.
That cannot be safe.
That's gonna be bad. Oh, it'll go rock. Bam! Oh! Might wanna go under.
It's not popping.
Watch this. It's full hard.
Nope, it just broke the string.
Here, have one of mine.
It just broke the string.
See, watch this. Here, get it.
No.
Here you go. Okay. You have to wrap it around your
Fitting it
fingers.
down this way.
You have to wrap it around your fingers.
I did.
What are you doing?
I don't know what he's doing. I'm trying to make this thing.
Oh, put it in the bottle and then just